Gurudwara Sheeshganj, a Guru Purab celebration. Places of religious importance are often at their best when adorned in festivity. Special decorations, the footfall of devotees, and religious ceremonies conducted on festivals make these places all the more special on the day of the festival. A visit to Gurudwara Sheeshganj on the recent occasion of Guru Purab has been very promising, with scores of people flocking from every part of Delhi and NCR to be part of the celebration. The Gurudwara comes alive with vibrant, festive and an animated mood. History. The Gurudwara is an important Sikh shrine brimming over with historic importance. It is the very site where the 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, was beheaded. The Gurudwara is a place with which religious sentiments as well as learnings of loyalty, integrity and valor are associated. The Guru, as per numerous religious and historical accounts, is said to have been beheaded in a public execution ordered by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. He was compelled to convert his faith, and on refusing, he along with his disciples were subjected to days of torture and finally a gruesome execution. Guru Purab. The Sikh festival of Guru Purab is observed in order to celebrate a birth or death anniversary of a Sikh Guru. The birth anniversary of the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, often termed as Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti, is celebrated with much fervor among the Sikh community. Believers pay visits to religious shrines and partake of the spiritual message that the day imparts. Celebrations. In order to mark the birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur's son and successor Guru Gobind Singh, Gurudwara Sheeshganj received in large numbers followers as they visit to pay their tributes. The celebrations feature a solemn ceremony at the Gurudwara. An ongoing kirtan reiterates the teachings from the scriptures in a harmonious manner. Various hymns are sung either in praise of God or didactic to soothe the senses. The entire premises of the Gurudwara are decorated with colorful balloons, billowing streamers and scores of flowers. Langar is prepared to feed the privileged and the poor alike. Endless queues of the homeless and the hungry can be seen awaiting the preparation and the serving. Devotees may make offerings as they wish of either sweet prasad or garlands and loose flowers. Some devotees may even offer the embroidered sheets used to decorate the holy text, the Guru Granth Sahib. Social work. The festival of Guru Purab renders opportunity to all to serve their social kin. In keeping with the ideal of service that Sikhism advocates, devotees contribute their best to the service of the society. Volunteers cook langar, take the responsibility of safekeeping of footwear and clean. All in all, the Sheeshganj Gurudwara is a shrine that has immense emotional and spiritual value attached to it. It stands as a symbol of strength and of steadfast resolve. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.